We explore Abilene State Park, find out we're not in Florida anymore, have a whole laundry discussion again, and eat at a pretty cool restaurant. I've heard this question asked a lot about whether you need a washer and dryer in your camper or not, and we're discovering it depends on you. For us, we're not having all that much fun driving 30 minutes to a laundromat. Some of the places have them on site, some don't, but I can tell you, this is starting to grow old really quick. We were staying in Abilene State Park, which was a nice campground. It was pretty. There was a deer in our sight as soon as we got there. We just enjoyed kind of hanging out there and enjoying the weather. It was pretty comfortable weather. We did get quite a bit of rain while we were there, but it was still fun. There was pecan trees. We walked around and looked at that and just kind of explored the park. We're also discovering a pattern with the golf cart. We're definitely not in Florida anymore. And ours is a tagged golf cart, tagged and insured. In Florida, you can ride it in any state park. But apparently, the officer was explaining to us, not in Texas. So I don't think we're going to get a lot of use out of this golf cart during this trip. We may just be hauling it for fun. We went to Perini Ranch Steakhouse while we were there. It is right down just 10 minutes from the Abilene State Park. And that was an awesome restaurant. We had a good time. The food was very good. So definitely worth doing if you're in the area. Definitely check it out. We also went to the Frontier, Texas, which is in downtown Abilene. It's a part of the Texas Western Heritage Center. And they've got a lot of sites there and a lot of displays. It was pretty interesting. We had a little bit of a rainy drive when we were leaving here, but it's still a beautiful drive. We're on our way to Roswell, New Mexico to stay at Bottomless Lake State Park. So please like and subscribe.